Welcome, here I've got iPad Air 2020 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first let's tap on the settings button here to open them, and now let's focus on this settings bar and let's slide a little bit down to the privacy. Here at the first place we have the location services, so when we tap on this we get the list of the apps that are using the location. At the second position here we have the camera, so let's pick this, and here we can decide if we want to use the camera location tags. So while using the app we can pick ask next time or never, and this is how to change this. Now let's stay on while using the app and let's go to the camera now. So let's pick this button and take a picture. Now let's move to this button here to get quick access to the gallery. This is our photo, and to check the location we have to just simply slide a little bit down. As you can see here we have access to the map. So greetings from Kraków, Poland, and this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.